Good morning, my beauties. Today is Thursday and the weather is looking so great, but I'm working from home today because I can't always go to the office. I'm just feeling really good today. I had a really good night's sleep. Sometimes I usually don't. It's because I've been going through so many things, and this month and actually the past 2 weeks I've been feeling really great. Okay, let me be real with you guys. I sort of had some mental health issues, and I'm just so grateful that I work in an environment whereby I can just pick up the phone and be in touch with someone in the wellness department to assist me in terms of just getting back on my feet mentally and just feeling like myself again. I don't know if I'm making sense, but anyway, today is just really I feel like today is a really good day. The weather's looking better than yesterday. Let me see. I've got this cute biker short vibe going on, two-piece, and I just wanted to be cute today. So just stay tuned while I quickly put on my face. I mean, I've got my face already, but just touching up and lashes. I haven't worn lashes in a minute, so I'm just going to be doing that, and I've actually even started working already. So I'm just gonna do a quickly lazy makeup look. I always buy these primers. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Guys, please do not mind my ugly hair. My daughter's learning how to do cornrows, and I'm so grateful that she wants to learn how to do that. My hair is growing so nicely. I'm not even gonna waste any more a lot of time doing this makeup because I have so much work to get done. Showing you guys how lazy this look is going to be. I just want to have makeup on my face. Have you ever done a makeup look? Makeup, and it's so lazy and you're thinking this is not the routine you usually do, but because I'm just trying to be quick and I've got some work to get done, so that's why I'm just doing it this way. The thing is, what I love about makeup, there's a lot of ways you can finesse it, so all you need to do is just know the technique, and the rest is easy. Honestly, makeup, I don't have time to sit and enjoy, and I've got work to do. This look is gonna come. I hope you guys have been really good. Hey, the world is no longer the same, honestly, because obviously things are happening, but I can imagine for some people it has been tough, but you don't want to complain about things as if your struggles don't matter because other people are going through the most than you are. I always stop myself from saying no, don't complain, but sometimes it's okay to just let it out and complain about it, because at the end of the day it's your life, and if you feel as much as other people are going through the worst, your struggles, they matter too. Just because you're not struggling in the same levels as other people doesn't mean your struggles are invalid. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm always trying to not make myself feel bad for complaining about my struggles or like feeling down about my struggles, because some people have it worse and stuff like that. Like I'm still struggling, alone. So I always even tell my daughter, bana, just because like we're so fortunate about other things doesn't mean we can't complain about izinto ezizenzekelayo. Like everyone wants an easy life. Everyone wants an easy life, so it shouldn't be like just because you have it easy than others, bana you can't complain. No, I think this contour, but it's fine. The thing is about learning a technique is finessing the scales. If you can finesse it, you're good. And I'm gonna finesse. Go bronzer finessed, so I'm just adding a bit of blush for the rosy cheek. Such a blush girl now, like, but when I started out I was like, on phone blush at 10 go, I cannot live without it. It's actually really awesome. And basically I'm almost done, so I'm just finishing off brushing out my eyebrows. I'm on look basically. So fire eyelashes after that, and I'm good to go. Oh, I'm doing down. Not just I'll be working. Honestly speaking, guys, I think I've reached a turning point in my life whereby I feel like I need something new to do in terms of like earning money and working. I feel like my department right now, Cindy writing in terms of like I need a new job role, if I can put it like that. I wouldn't mind like a new job role. And I was actually even talking to my mom about it, and like my mom is like one of the most supportive people in my life, and she was just like really encouraging me to do it, and she knows that I can get it done and things like that. So I just really need to start looking, because in this role that I'm on now, things are getting like quite monotonous, and I just feel like I need a change. And not like bad things are happening or anything. It's just me personally, I just need a change. I don't know if I'm the only one who feels like that, but I have been praying about it, like to God, say, hey, how do I stop feeling like the way that I feel about my work, because like it hasn't really been that good, and it was like borderline discouraging to a certain extent. But like one thing about me is I try not to wallow on that type of feeling. I'm always a problem solver. That's basically me. Like I'm a problem solver, I'm a solutions person. Like I always acknowledge, okay, I feel like this about this, so what is the way forward? Most of the time I'm always like just looking for a way, a solution, if I can put it like that, like a way out, a way to make sure that everything is just coming through for me, basically. So I'm basically done with this look, so I'm just gonna pop out lashes. That is it. That is the lazy look, pretty or whatever. Yeah, I need to go back to work, so we're gonna do that. Lighting it up at dining room is really nice. I'm really feeling this look. Okay, back to work. So I have been working, and I just spoke to the shipping company now about my package, and I'm getting it tomorrow. It's fine, but because they said that the driver like was having car trouble, like they had a breakdown and whatever. So and I'm lazy to go all the way to Kempton Park to fetch my package, and I'll be spending money when literally my package is free shipment. So I'm not trying to spend no money at all. One thing about me, I always like make sure but I'm not spending money unnecessarily. I make sure but okay, if I spend money on this, I know but like it's important, I have to. But other than that, there's ends on alone. I'd rather not use my money. Anyway, I'm gonna take my lunch now. I actually want to make some chicken strips, and sorry, someone is messaging me. Anyway, I'm gonna make some chicken strips, and yeah, I'm gonna have some chicken strips and a salad. Like, I'm trying to sort of diet, but not really. I don't want to really put the word diet out there because it's really not in my vocabulary to diet. I just enjoy eating healthy. Yeah, I don't eat, I love it. Voila, nice chicken strips, all done, crunchy. One thing about me, I love quick, easy meals. So I'm just that is delicious. In the words of Gordon Ramsay, delicious. Anyway, I stan Gordon Ramsay, guys. Like, I'm a big stan of him. So lately I've been watching his like shows, like the ones where he travels all across the countries to indigenous places, and also I'm currently watching one where he's like traveling with his 3 closest friends and stuff like that now. And obviously MasterChef US season 11, the Legends season. I'm actually really enjoying that, and I also really did enjoy him with kids. So MasterChef Junior, I was in there. So yeah, hey, those kids can cook. Hey, yo, those kids can cook. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna do something light now. Make sure that I'm not only just eating chicken strips, I'm gonna have something with the salad in it, some lettuce. Now for the moment of truth. This is delicious. So damn delicious. So I'm just gonna eat because my lunch hour is almost over and I'll need to get back to work. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. I am finally done for the day. I have knocked off and basically made a quick redo meal of our leftover food from yesterday. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I'll definitely see you guys on my next video. Bye.